Today is May 12th. I have May 12th, 2025. I have my Shimano Aldebaran BFS 22. See it right there. And 4-pound Sunline Sniper, last year's line. I never switched it. An atomic teaser, 16th ounce, and like a ghost white. And I'm using my Pure Lure telescopic rod. And I'm worried about like wading boots because I wanted to work this spot down here. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna be a little more quiet here. And I'm just, for those of you that haven't been with my channel, I use my Leatherman art. There's a file on there, a scissor, a pair of pliers. I'm walking around with some atomic tasers. That's it. You gotta make it work. So I'm gonna work my way up to this hole. I'm gonna be a little quiet because I don't want them to. Oh my God! There's a little family of ducks. I did not want to scare them off like that. Be quiet. I think I just saw one rise. So I sharpened the hook and I closed it up. It was a little open, but not much. I was getting some short strikes. There we go. There we go. Not the biggest, but I think maybe that's why I was getting short strikes. They're short. Number 8. I had another fish on another outing. I was using my Instago 3S. And I didn't have I was hitting a lot of, it was blowing out, the image was blowing out. I didn't have the settings on auto, so I'm back to my GoPro. I'm actually wearing it in the center of my chest. I should have did that last year, but that's number 8 for the year. I'm gonna keep working with this bridge down there. There we go. Oh, he got off. I think it was a crappie. And I got it wrapped up in the tree. Great. Beautiful day on the water. I'm going to work my way down to this other spot down here. There is a pretty serious hatch going on right now. I had a couple of bites, just that one under the bridge. I'll work my way down, work this shoreline. They're not, I know they took the dam out, but I don't know, I'd hate to think that, I mean, they've moved, they're not in the usual spots, and I got snagged. Weird about being stealthy the way I'm walking through here. Let me get close to the edge. I'm gonna call it. Beautiful day. It's kind of like in the 70s. wanted to rain, so there's like a front coming through. Be a little hard to get into them. It's got 3 bites, 1 on. We're gonna call it a day. Try again some other day. It's a wrap for this area here. I was on my way home, but you know how that is. I wanted to see if I can get into another fish. Ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah. I just had a couple of hits, so I got snapped, of course. I'm gonna get down here if I don't fall in. Yeah, but there's a whole school. There's just a bunch of suckers. Now they're feeding them, but there's quite a few of them in here. There's no bass in there mixed up with them. Yeah, there's nothing here. I mean, I see a whole bunch of suckers. They're just kind of like hanging out. We're gonna call it a day. It's nice to get out, but they're not their usual spots. The weather's been real funny. Oh well, call it a day. I had to stop. It wasn't really on my way home, but you could always make a detour, right? It's a wrap. My shoes are muddy.